Possum Patty here. It is August 24th and I am nature journaling. Did you like that intro? Well, Possum Patty plus Pointy sticks plus Puffballs equals Poof. I went back out and looked at the Puffballs I had found the other day on the log. And one of them looked ripe, so I poked it with a stick and all the spores exploded out. Nothing like a little fun in nature. Also on this page, I have a mushroom I found in the mulch in front of the house. Now I think this may be an Inky cap mushroom, or maybe even the hare's foot Inky cap mushroom. Well, it's late summer and we had a little bit of rain, so now's the time to look for mushrooms. And this is growing next to the front porch. And it looks like one of the Inky caps. It's recurved umbrella, and when you squash it, look. Get all that black. I think those are the black spores. And these are special because what happens is that the cap starts to liquefy and the black spores come dripping out. Looks like dripping black ink. I haven't seen that part yet, but when I do, I'll take a picture of it. When I saw them, they're at the stage where the cap was just recurved back in. And here's a little tiny one. The caps recurve. Now, is this one just coming up, or is it done? I guess there's many different kinds of ink cap mushrooms. And also on the front porch, I saw something very strange. I was in the house looking out the front window when I saw a really strange flying object. It kind of looked like an insect, but it had something dangling off of it. It looked like a long kite tail. Wait, what am I looking at? I ran out with my phone to take a picture of it. And I couldn't believe my eyes when it dropped what it was carrying onto the porch, and it was a piece of grass. I had never seen a wasp carrying grass before. Well, I looked it up, and what do you know? It's the grass-carrying wasp. They fly from summer to September. And they're black and have sort of smoky brown wings, and they take the grass and they look for a natural cavity, like a little nook in a tree, or if they can't find something suitable, they might even pick a little crack in your storm window. And they build a nest with the grass, and then they capture a katydid or some kind of grasshopper or something, and they paralyze it, and they put it in the nest, and then they lay their eggs on it. And when the larvae hatch out, they eat the poor paralyzed katydid. One project that I was working on was setting up the trail cam by the Birdbath in the backyard. And I think I found a new bird to add to my bird list. I believe this is a song sparrow. It didn't look like the chipping sparrow, which has a rusty red cap. This had brown streaks and then some darker streaks down the breast and on the wings. And then I noticed these dark wingtips. So when I looked it up, it sure did look like a song sparrow. So I added it to my bird list for 2020. And the song sparrow is number 31. Some very interesting birds on my list, including the rose-breasted grosbeak and the blue-gray gnatcatcher and the ovenbird and the blue-winged warbler, the eastern towhee, and now the song sparrow. I'll show you the pictures of the other birds that the trail cam caught at the bird bath at the end of the video. So thanks for coming along today. Happy nature journaling. Bye-bye.